Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to showcase the 5 best portable solar chargers. Ready to join the solar revolution? Car camping, backpacking, and daily life are all great opportunities to harness the power of the sun to charge electronics. Keep watching the video to find out the portable solar charger that suits your budget. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the products mentioned, please check the links in the description below. This is iClever 100 watts foldable solar panel charger. It is made from durable Oxford cloth and IPX4 waterproof to endure all weather conditions, ideal for outdoor activities such as camping, climbing, hiking, picnic. Made from durable canvas, zipper, and PET polymer, the solar charger is water resistant and even can survive occasional rain or fog. Equipped with dual USB ports, 18 watts QC 3.0 port, 12 watts Smart ID port, and a separate 45 watts PD 3.0 USB-C port and ADC port. This iClever solar-powered panel charges smartphones, tablets, laptops, lamps, power banks, MacBook Pro, iPad, Switch, and more 4 times faster than usual. Whether you are backpacking around the country, hiking or camping somewhere, the solar panel charger always gives you peace of mind, especially in emergent need of a power source. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. This is eco-worthy 120 watts foldable solar panel charger. It is easy to control, and its 2 tilting kickstands enable the panel to absorb 25% more solar energy. Panels are very convenient to use anywhere with their 4 buckles, which can be hung on the caravan and release the space of the RV roof. It comes with a 3-meter cable that allows you to expand the activity space, and you can benefit from a wider space to mobilize or keep your generator in the shade and away from heat. It can generate 500 watts per day under 4 hours of full sunshine, which makes it perfect for any outdoor space such as the beach. Solar-generated power can be used to charge smartphones, drones, cameras, or even laptops. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. This is BOBKID 100 watts portable solar panel. This ultra-thin and foldable design folding solar panel comes with 10 different sizes of connectors and 2 different type of cables, which means it is compatible with the most solar generator on the market. This solar power charger can provide a fast charge for 4 devices at the same time with its 4 output ports for DC, USB, and Type-C output for various devices. With its adjustable kickstand, you can get up to 25% more solar energy than flat-lying. The panels are made from high-grade water-resistant PVC material that can withstand extreme weather conditions. The 5-layer structure design makes the solar panels have a longer life, higher light transmittance, and lighter weight. It's another best option for 100 watts portable solar panel. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. This is CHOETECH 80 watts portable solar panel. Easy to carry, and provides convenience and dependability power anywhere you need it. Its 4 adjustable kickstands allow for easy installation and adjust its angle for better sunlight. The high-efficient solar panel makes good use of unlimited sunshine, enjoys the outdoor adventures of green and clean power while off-grid. It is made of durable Oxford cloth, quality fabric is corrosion-resistant, high-temperature resistant, and its IPX4 water-resistant design make you don't need to worry about the bad weather condition. Equipped with different types of output ports make it universal compatible for multi-devices such as phones, tablets, laptops, power banks, MacBook Pro, and more. And with its 10-in-1 connector adapter kit, means this solar panel can charge your power stations with included DC port or the DC to Anderson cable. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. This is SUAOKI 100 watts foldable solar panel charger. This folding solar panel is ideal for outdoor adventures like camping, trekking, and hiking, and home usage. Post-folding, it is like a briefcase with big wattage and high conversion efficiency, which fulfills your needs in a weekend trip or power outage. Its 3 different output ports can charge most of your devices, including power generators, smartphones, tablets, laptops, lamps, power banks, MacBook Pro, iPad, Switch, and more. With different sizes of connectors, this solar charger is compatible with most solar generators on the market. Its 60 watts USB-C power delivery is highly compatible with the majority of Type-C notebook, MacBook, MacBook Air, almost all devices at a huge 60 watts output. It features Quick Charge 3.0 USB ports, 18 watts to boost the charging process, which is 4 times faster than the conventional adapter. With advanced solar panel materials, even under low sunlight conditions, 100-watt solar power panels absorb sunlight more efficiently. Stay charged with the power of the sun, and collect solar energy to charge your portable power station, and enjoy the benefit of power while off-grid. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video.